Science of changing habits. Changing habits is a complex process that involves understanding the psychology behind behavior patterns, the role of the brain, and effective strategies to make lasting changes. Here's a breakdown of the science behind changing habits. Understanding habits. Habit loop. According to Charles Duhigg, The Power of Habit, habits consist of a three-part loop: cue, routine, and reward. The cue triggers the habit, the routine is the behavior itself, and the reward is what you gain from the behavior. Understanding this loop is crucial for changing habits. WikiLeQ. Brain function. Habits are formed in the basal ganglia, a part of the brain associated with routine behaviors and emotions. When a behavior becomes a habit, the brain stops fully participating in decision-making, allowing it to save effort for other tasks. WikiLeQ. Steps to change habits. Identify the habit loop. Recognize the cue, routine, and reward of your habit. Understanding what triggers your habit and what you gain from it is the first step in changing it. WikiLeQ. Change the routine. Once you identify the habit loop, change the routine while keeping the same cue and reward. For example, if stress triggers you to eat unhealthy snacks, routine. For comfort, reward. Try replacing the snack with a healthier option or a different stress relief activity like a quick walk. WikiLeQ. Make small changes. Small, incremental changes are more sustainable than drastic ones. Focus on changing one habit at a time rather than overhauling your entire lifestyle all at once. WikiLeQ. Consistency and repetition. Consistency is key to forming new habits. Repeating a behavior in response to a specific cue helps reinforce the new habit. It typically takes about 21 to 66 days to form a new habit, depending on the complexity of the behavior. WikiLeQ. Environment and social support. Your environment and social circles can significantly impact your ability to change habits. Surround yourself with supportive people and create an environment conducive to your new habits. For example, if you want to exercise more, keep your workout gear easily accessible. WikiLeQ. Self-monitoring and reflection. Keep track of your progress and reflect on your achievements and setbacks. Self-monitoring helps maintain motivation and allows you to adjust your strategies as needed. WikiLeQ. Use positive reinforcement. Reward yourself for making progress. Positive reinforcement strengthens new habits by associating them with positive outcomes. Choose rewards that are healthy and align with your goals. WikiLeQ. Psychological theories and models. Self-determination theory. This theory emphasizes the importance of intrinsic motivation, doing something because it is inherently enjoyable, and extrinsic motivation, doing something for external rewards, in habit formation. Building habits that align with your intrinsic motivations can be more sustainable. WikiLeQ. Behavioral economics. Understanding how we make decisions can help in changing habits. Techniques like nudging, which involves subtly guiding choices without restricting them, can be effective. For example, placing healthier foods at eye level can encourage better eating habits. WikiLeQ. Cognitive behavioral therapy. CBT techniques can help identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors. This approach is useful for breaking unhealthy habits by addressing the underlying cognitive processes. WikiLeQ. Conclusion. Changing habits involves understanding the underlying psychological and neurological mechanisms, identifying and modifying the habit loop, and employing strategies like consistency, positive reinforcement, and environmental adjustments. By leveraging these principles, individuals can effectively change their habits and achieve lasting behavioral transformation. For more detailed information, sources like Charles Duhigg's The Power of Habit and James Clear's Atomic Habits are excellent references.